In this video, we are going to install this foldable cargo mat liner for a Honda Pilot. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. Here we have your OEM cargo mat, which is good. The problem I have is it shifts while driving. You put something outside, the product is sturdy, but the whole thing shifts. So it is a trifold. Fold it like that and pick up your third row Here we have your cargo mat liner for your Honda Pilot. It fits 2016 to 2023. It is a one-piece foldable design. It does come with Velcro on the back of the liner to hold it in place when you stick it to the back seat. Fairly simple to install. You just line it up. And stick into place. Unlike the OEM cargo mat, this is sturdy and you still have access to your lower compartments. You have some raised edges to form a barrier from debris, mud, rain, water, and snow. You can raise a third row seat without removing. Back seat still protected, so is the bottom. And you still have access. And you have a little cutouts here if you need access to the tie downs. Simply lift and you have access to these tie downs. Protect the interior of your car from spills and scratches. Made of high quality TPE. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. If you have not done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.